Daylin, come check this crab out.
I found one!
Look how tiny it is.
Oh, that's so tiny.
It's like the world's smallest little crab.
He's just like, that's a ghost crab. Did it bite you?
Oh my god!
Oh, you dropped it! Ah!
It really did bite me! We made it to the beach. Daylin, you gonna test the waters out for us? Okay, hot tamale.
3,
Hot tamale.
2, 1.
Yay!
Somebody lower the leg, please.
Is it cold?
No.
All right, look how pretty it is out here. I'm gonna give you a little push. Super deep right there. You going in?
Wait, it is?
Yeah, you can't touch. It's probably about 8 feet right there.
8 feet?
8 feet.
I'm just 6 feet.
No, you are not 6 feet. You're like 3 feet. 4 feet. Not 8 feet.
I don't want to try to touch the bottom because I'm
That's
feel
it.
like...
Well, I don't think you're gonna be able to touch the bottom over here.
Oh, it's actually cold.
Is it actually cold?
Yep.
Where's Casey at?
I don't know. I thought you had them.
Here.
Oh, look. You want a boogie board?
Put that on your wrist.
Boogie board.
That way you
No, I don't need one.
You don't want it? He's a big boy. He does not need a boogie
Let's
board.
do the mom
You
thing.
need a boogie
Okay,
board.
I'm a helicopter.
Whoa.
Mom says she's a helicopter. Is Mom a helicopter?
I'm gonna touch the
She's
bottom.
an Apache. Oh, no way.
It's so deep.
Yeah, it's too deep. You never get into the bottom of that. How does a pretty princess dive into the water for the first time?
I only know one move.
What's that? Dive bomb fart? Cannonball? That's your only move? Classic cannonball.
What'd you find?
That thing is huge. We found a starfish.
Wow, look at that starfish.
I said sand on it.
It's still alive.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
I'm gonna let it back.
You gonna let it back in the water?
I can't believe we actually found a starfish. That thing was huge. Crazy. It was like just in the water, and then I just did that, and then a starfish appeared.
It was bigger than your hand. It was bigger than my hand.
It was like my hand, like this.
Yep.
It was bigger than my hand.
Casey's screaming that a sand dollar just peed on me. What happened? Tell me what happened.
Sand dollars keep peeing on us. Yeah, look.
Do sand dollars even pee? Let me see your hands. Show me your hands. Oh my goodness.
Well, put him underwater so he can breathe. Yeah. Only 4.
4?
And he has like a gigantic. Yeah, we have one big one.
And you got pee-pee sand dollars?
Yeah.
Pee-pee sand dollars.
No, they're all peeing.
Yeah, show me your hands again. Gross. We're going to cut that hand off.
Okay, do it.
Okay. Oh, the joys of having boys. Everything is pee-pee and farts.
Yeah.
It's my life. It's real
I
life.
really have to know that.
Yes.
Oh God, no.
Listen to this starfish. That's crazy.
It's like a tiger starfish.
That's so cool. Look at the mermaids. And there's a mermaid out here? What? Gosh. And a sea monster right there. Ah! Ah!
And that's where they eat stuff.
That's their mouth?
Yep. You want it?
That's crazy. All right, give them some water. We gotta be kind. Oh my gosh, there's things biting my feet down here. Stop biting my feet.
They like stinky things.
Oh, that makes sense why they're biting my butt as well. How awesome is that? Dayla, remember last time we came out here, you found a shark's tooth.
Oh, yeah.
Remember last time we came out, you found a shark's tooth? No, I have it. It's in my cooler at the house. So last time we came out, we found a shark tooth. This time we found a starfish, which is cool. Fun fact, don't their limbs regenerate, right? How long does that take? Fun fact, right now.
5 days.
Teach your mom. 5 days. Dayla says 5 days.
I say a couple months.
Mom says a couple months. I'm going to say 4 weeks. Someone Google it and let me know.
Look at this.
30 years? I don't think it, no, I think it's quicker than that.
Touch him.
What's he feel like?
Touch him. Spiky.
Ooh, it is spiky.
Now put him back. He has like
Yeah,
spikes.
yeah, make sure you can breathe. Did you touch it? It's spiky feeling, right? It's crazy.
Really spiky.
What you got? A hermit crab is actually in there?
Yeah. Quit.
Yeah, it's gonna eat you.
I want to go boobies. I got boobies. Oh no.
Oh no, they're gone. What's happening? What do you guys see?
Ice cream.
Ice cream boat?
Yeah.
How awesome is that? Oh my gosh, Rod. Rod's on there. Rod Sullivan. Oh no. Look, there it is. The ice cream boat's here. Fat boy. Someone said they had an ice cream named after me. Dude, they have an ice cream named after me? That's not nice. I'll take a fat boy, please. You guys take sand dollars as a form of payment?
Yeah.
Nice. This is the first time I've ever ordered ice cream and peed my pants at the same time.
That's so gross. I'm leaving.
Okay, bye. I can't walk and do it at the same time. I have to stay here. Ew, stop. I want an ice cream cookie sandwich.
Yeah, they're little. They're 3. They're cute little
Wait,
mini.
I got 3 of them?
I have 3.
Whoa, 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 hey, get back here.
You okay, buddies? Okay.
What do you have in there, Kason?
Sand dollars.
Oh, your sand dollars?
They're under the sand.
Oh, nice. How's your ice cream? Delicious.
I found a crab claw. It's blue. which is
Dude,
really
it's a
weird.
Daylin crab.
There's no hair.
That's cool. It matches your hair. Daylin, come check this crab out.
I found one.
Look how tiny it is.
Oh, that's so tiny.
It's like the world's smallest little crab.
He's just like, that's a ghost crab. Did it ghost bite you?
Probably.
It's trying to pinch you.
It's so.
There's a little hole in your hand.
Is
In
it?
your finger.
Oh my god!
Dropped it! Ah!
It really did bite me.
You dropped it!
Yeah, look at that. A little hole in my hand.
You dropped it somewhere.
It bit me. Of course I dropped it. What the heck?
I see it!
It was sitting there biting me the entire time. You guys see that? Look at that little hole. What the heck? I don't know what that is or how to get it out.
It's just like a...
It ate a hole in my finger and then poop.
It's like a thorn. You have to pick it
No, it buried its poop in my finger. What the heck, man? It pooped on me. Did you have fun today? What about the sand dollars? That's pretty cool, right?
I think the starfish were the coolest.
Oh yeah, I meant to say starfish, not sand dollars. I promise. We found Patrick the starfish twice, and it was cool.
Did you name the second one?
Oh yeah, what was the second one's name? Patrick number 2. So earlier I found a micro crab and it dug a hole in my finger. Are they poisonous? They literally dug a hole. Ow!
If I say yes, what happens?
I guess you gotta chew it out, right? You gotta suck the poison out.
Considering y'all probably weigh the same, it probably
I know. It like dug a hole in my finger, pooped, and then buried it. A little baby crab pooped in my finger. Isn't that weird?
I don't think they'd do that.
Seriously, Daylin saw it.
Ron's chilling that.
Yeah.
Ron's gonna have a headache.
They saw it. Everyone saw it.
I just saw it curling around your finger, and then I just noticed
Some
it.
air going for Brian.
Yeah. Oh well. A crab pooped in my thumb today. First time that ever happened. Ow! 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 It hurts!